Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the XSD/schema, and the target app's expected XML version. Once confirmed, make a backup of the current config or dataset so you can revert if needed. Next, open your XML in a capable editor or import tool. Checking coding is UTF-8 and that namespaces are declared. Now locate the root node and top-level elements you must change. Begin by adjusting only the fields required for this task, so you keep scope controlled and reversible. Once done with initial loading, focus on accurate edits. You should edit nodes and attributes using an XML-aware tool so you don't break structure. Make small changes and run schema validation after each group of edits. Validation pinpoints missing required elements, type mismatches, and namespace issues. Use XPath queries or search and replace for repeated elements to maintain consistency. If you use templates or variables, ensure they expand correctly before saving. Finally, format or pretty print the file to avoid. You're ready to apply the XML. First, import or deploy it into a test or staging environment, never production immediately. Then run functional checks relevant to the change and monitor logs for warnings or errors to confirm behavior. If everything passes, promote the file to production using the same procedure. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and compare diffs to find the problematic change. One common fix is a missing namespace or malformed attribute, so check those first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.